So you want to know how to transfer a domain name to Hostinger from GoDaddy or Namecheap, but you don't know where to begin. It's a good thing you clicked on this video because I'm about to show you how to turn your domain into a domain. And the best part is that I have amazing limited time discount codes in the description. Don't pay the full price for hosting. Grab it while it's cheap. Now, I know, you might be thinking, Emmett, but hey, you said this was easy. Why do I need extra steps before even starting the transfer? Well, the truth is there will be no domain name transfer if the domain isn't eligible. If your domain isn't at least 60 days old, it's basically not yet fully baked and you can't transfer it. And when you do end up transferring it, you're going to have to wait another 60 days to do it again. I know. It's definitely annoying, but it's basic domain hacking prevention. Another important step is to verify your contact information. So you got to check if your email is accessible, since the approval emails will be sent there. And then you should always check if the information has changed, especially when we're talking about surnames and addresses. Also, if you have multiple domains, I suggest transferring them in small batches so you can get comfortable with the whole process. Next, make sure to disable privacy protection. Some registrars require disabling privacy protection. However, not all providers offer it, but Hostinger gives this for free on all cheap domain names that you get. Next item on your to-do list is to get the EPP or the EP, also called the authorization code. This code is a unique set of characters assigned by the domain registrar. It's a safety measure similar to the domain lock, so you can find the code in the domain settings page with most providers. Another thing to check is the expiration date. You should avoid transferring a domain that expires in a few days. The good thing is that transferring a domain to Hostinger adds an extra year to the remaining subscription. So if you have, let's say, 2 years, moving to Hostinger adds another year on top, which saves you a bit of money without really doing anything. And if you want to use that free domain and grab a ton of other benefits, make sure to click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to get the best possible Hostinger discount. Now, I know I'll be covering only a few hosting providers, but the how to move domain process is similar almost everywhere, and I'll show you how to do these things step by step. All right, once you unlock your domain and request the EPP code, you can start the transfer at the new registrar. To transfer domain to Hostinger, click Domains and click Transfer an Existing Domain. Then after you enter the domain name, pay for the transfer, and then you should receive a confirmation request for your approval. So to learn how to transfer a domain name from GoDaddy, all you have to do is go to your dashboard and click My Products or Domain Portfolio. You don't really need to pay attention to anything else except the Manage button near your chosen domain. All right, click Settings and then Unlock Domain, then transfer to another registrar to get the authorization code via email. And that's how to transfer domain name from GoDaddy. All right, moving on. If you want to transfer domain from Namecheap, first you have to log in to Namecheap and go to Domain List. After that, you're going to click on Manage next to the domain of your choice. Then navigate to the Sharing and Transfer tab. Scroll down, click Transfer Out, and click Unlock. Then press Auth code to receive your EPP code via email. All right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to move domain. Make sure to click the link in the description for special discounts and comment on what tutorials I should do next. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.